as we work on putting the head swap pictures into the Instagram template, the biggest problem we're having is when you try to put a portrait, like a long skinny picture, into this squarish box. So do I have a definite solution? No. Do I have a kind of make it up as I go along solution? Absolutely. Let me show you how it works. So first thing you want to do is what? Control 0. Make everything as big as possible. File, open. And here's one I got from a student. Stitch. Now, look, squarish box, but this is a full body shot. So what we'll have to do is click on your compass, right? Drag, hold, come over here, and then let go to give us an idea of, we want it to be wide enough to cover from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. But where do we want to cut it off? Like at the waist, like right around the flower level, right? So if we go back to this guy and we're looking for the crop tool, so I think like right below the flowers, is that what it went? Something around there. As long as you get close, it doesn't have to be precise. Let me show you what to do next. Then click on this arrow, click it, move it, bring it, drag it, drop it. So this is the old version. If we click on that layer and hit delete, what happens? Boom. So let's see what happens if we put our picture here. Notice it's a little bit taller. It's covering up the things we need down here. You want to know what my grand solution is? If you have to, make your picture big enough to cover these guys right here. Then open the new layer and just put the likes right below the picture. As long as you get close to where the bottom edge would be when you crop it, you should be fine. I'm having a hard time with the crop tool because the crop tool is right underneath my record control, but it's somewhere right around here. If you can't find it, do what I did. Search for help, find the crop tool, go to your original, crop it, and cut the bottom edge off about where it should be. So you may have to do this 2 or 3 times, depending on the picture. Is it a pain in the butt? Yes. Is it doable? Yes. Do I know any other way to do it? No. Could you hit YouTube and try to find a simpler way? Yes. Or could you do it this way? Yes. But that's all I got for right now. Thanks. Bye-bye.